Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll show you how to fix the cannot connect to iTunes Store error on your iPhone or iPad. This issue is pretty common and luckily the fixes are simple, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to fix it. And let's get started with the video. First, make sure you have your internet connection and your internet connection is stable and working. Try opening Safari and loading a website to check right here. As you can see, I'm opening YouTube right now and it opens without any problem. That means my Wi-Fi is working just fine. If it doesn't load, restart your router or switch to mobile data. Then sometimes the problem isn't on your end. Go to Apple System Status page by searching Apple ID or Apple System Status in Google or any desired browser of your choice. And if iTunes Store shows a red dot in there, it means Apple servers are down and you will just need to wait. If servers are fine, then go to your settings and your name and media and purchase and tap on sign out, then sign back in your Apple ID. This refresh usually fixes the connection issues. You can do that from your setting of your mobile phone. Simply scroll down, go to app and find iTunes Store right here, and you can do the following as I just mentioned, and that's how you can solve it. Check your internet, confirm Apple server and refresh your Apple ID, sign in. Quick and easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple tips, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.